All right, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your work inside of Khan Academy. For this example, let's say that you worked on your robot last class and now you need to get it out of your Khan Academy. All right, so you can get into Khan Academy however you like. If you want to go to khanacademy.com, or you can even click on a simple link like I'm going to where it says practice JavaScript coding here. Now, once I click on that link, it's going to open up a Khan Academy page for me. As you guys can see, it's one of those new program pages that we use quite often. What you're going to do next here, you're going to come up here to the top right corner, you're going to click on your username. Now, remember, you have to be signed in. So if you're not signed in at this time, please log in. Once you log in, then you can click on your username. Second, you're going to come down here to your profile. Now, inside of your profile, you're going to be able to find your work one of two places. First off, you can just scroll down here a little bit and you can look under your project section. And then you could click on the view all link. And that'll open up all of your projects that you've worked on. So you can see I have many projects in here. Now, if you don't like to do it that way, you could always come back here to your profile. And what we're looking for next here is right underneath this blue tab, or this blue banner. You're going to notice we have a bunch of links. You have home, profile, badges, progress. You probably even have an assignments tab. But what we're looking for the projects tab. You're going to click on projects, and again, it'll bring us back to where all of our projects are here that we've previously worked on inside of Khan Academy. So hopefully this helps out, and you'll be able to retrieve your work quite easily. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.